how to connect Namecheap domain to hosting your website. First, open up Namecheap, sign into your account, and then you will need to copy the domain which we want to add to our hosting our website. Next, open up the Edge panel and scroll down until you see your website here on Hostinger and select Connect Domain. Now paste the domain which we just copied, and it is going to detect it here, and we will click on the first option. It is registered in another provider, so we will need to verify that it is our own. We were going to click on Next. If we click on Continue here, then you will see that our website is going to be connected. It's being connected. So we're just going to pause and come back in a sec. Now, after a bit, it is going to tell us that domain is not working. That's fine. You want to click on Check Guide. From here, we will need to go to our domain provider's account. So we are going to do that. Go and click on Domain from Namecheap. And then once you find your domain, you want to click on Manage next to the side. And here we are just going to find the name servers. So you want to click on Namecheap Basic DNS and then select Custom DNS. And you will copy these two values. So copy the first one, paste it, copy the second one, and again we want to paste it. Afterwards, you will click on the Save button. And now this is going to add these name servers to our domain. Once these have been added, as you can see, it's going to take up to 48 hours. And you want to check I have changed the name server records and then click on Finish. Now you can close this, and after waiting for a little bit, this is going to connect your Namecheap domain to hosting a website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.